In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Calendar and print out your schedule, making it easy to stay organized both digitally and on paper. First, let's head over to Google by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the address www.google.com. This might seem quite basic, but Google is the gateway to a host of convenient apps that make managing your day-to-day tasks much simpler. Once you're on the Google homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll see a grid icon, often called Google Apps. Clicking on this icon will drop down a menu showcasing a variety of apps that are part of the Google ecosystem. It's like having an all-access pass to a suite of powerful tools. Next, from this menu, find and click on the calendar icon. This will open up Google Calendar, an incredibly useful tool for keeping track of your events and appointments. With Google Calendar, you can set reminders for anything from work meetings to personal events, ensuring you never miss a beat. Now that you're in the calendar view, take your attention to the upper right-hand side where you'll find the settings menu represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this gear icon will reveal an option labeled Print. By selecting this, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can customize how you'd like to print your calendar. One of the first choices you'll encounter is the print range. Here you can specify the starting and ending dates for your printout, allowing you to focus on a specific time frame that's relevant to you. Whether you need to print a single day or an entire month, this flexibility is incredibly handy. Following this, you'll decide on the view format. You can choose to print your events as they appear on a daily or weekly view, depending on what fits your needs best. Once you've made your choice, you have the option to adjust the font size. Depending on how much information you have and how readable you want the printout to be, you can select from the smallest to the largest size options. Another important aspect is orientation. Make sure to choose whether you'd like your calendar printed in portrait or landscape mode. Each orientation has its own benefits, so pick the one that best fits your schedule layout. The last customization before printing is color and style. You could choose between full color, outline, or even black and white, depending on your preferences and printing resources. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, you'll simply need to click on Print to produce your hard copy. Having a printed schedule can be a fantastic way to view your commitments at a glance, especially if you're the type who likes to physically check things off. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure you're always on top of your game with Google Calendar.